and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my workout routine. I go to Zumba class 5 days a week, so there we switch up our exercises every 2 weeks. So for today's video, since it's the first video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the basic workout routine जिसको आप घर पे बहुत easily कर सकते हो. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video.
So I start with a little bit of cardio exercises. Now I use a stepper. This helps in burning down more calories. So I climb up and down 60 times so my body is a little warmed up and I'm ready for the rest of the workouts. Next I do knee raises. Again I'm using the stepper. Doing these exercises on an elevation burns down more fat. You can also use stairs as your stepper, or if you just want to start slow you can do it on the ground. Knee raises helps boosting strength throughout the core. It works out your upper abs, lower abs as well as your hips, back and shoulder. Next I do side kicks. I like to do it at the same time for both the legs, for 60 times for each leg. Side kicks helps to shape up your hips and will give your butt that lifted look that you always wanted. Moving on, I do the jump squats next. You can also do this workout without the stepper. Jump squats helps to tone the calves, glutes and the core. So I do this 30 times. I repeat the same circuit 2 times, so that makes it 60. Next I work on my abs, so I start with the leg raised crunches. Doing crunches in this way intensifies the work of the abdominal muscles. Again, if you are just a beginner, you can do the regular crunches. It will really help you to lose the belly fat. Next I do this plank push-up kind of thing. I really don't know the exact name of this exercise, but you get the point. This exercise helps to make a strong core foundation. So all the exercises I do for 30 times and I repeat the circuit 2 times. If you're just starting, you can do this 15 times and repeat the circuit twice, so that makes it 30. Next I do the scissor kicks. This helps in strengthening the legs, tones abs and reduces the belly fat. Okay, so the next exercise is kind of a variation of floater kicks, and again I'm just working on the core strength, working on my leg strength and working on my abs. Next I do the windshield exercise. I don't know if it's really called that, but we'll go with it. Okay, so this is again something really helpful for working out the core, and as lower as you can take your legs, you'll feel it in your abs. So I like to end my workout with doing a plank for 1 minute. If you're a beginner, you can start with 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Planks has many benefits. It gives you a better posture, improves balance, strengthens your core, enhances bone and joint health. And then I do side planks for 1 minute. It again is something super helpful in improving the core strength and also strengthens arms and wrists. I do side planks for both the sides.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope आपको ये video useful लगी होगी. If you want me to make more such videos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna make a part 2 of my workout routine. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe